It's a familiar scene. A student rushes in to share a revelation that strains the imagination. We don't even have to ask because we know the answer. So, you found this on the internet. The internet is not the problem. The problem is what our students do with the information they find there. Some students seize on a tidbit from a web page, but never ask themselves a basic question. Under what circumstances were these words uttered? That same tendency gives many students trouble here. The prompt asks them how these sources provide evidence that Americans opposed the war. The headnote for each contains clues for answering this question. But students often skip this information and dive straight into the content. From this student's answer, you'd never know that the first document comes from testimony before a congressional committee. This student repeats what the text says, but ignores the occasion in which it was said. Documents A and B differ in how they cast the war, yet both documents provide evidence for significant opposition to the conflict. Congressional hearings are not conducted to ponder the colors of the sunrise. They are symbols of alarm and national concern. Similarly, a letter to the editor is a sign that the public remains divided on the issue at hand. The content of these documents is clearly important, but in history, you can't understand content without context. When students skip over where a document comes from, a hearing, a diary, a letter to the editor, they undercut the process of historical understanding. This insight is crucial in understanding our past. For that matter, it is crucial to an informed understanding of our present.